Hi viewers, welcome to VRR Tutorials. Our today's topic is describing words. I have made many videos on describing words. If you want to know them, please watch our previous videos. See, if you find this video is useful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's go to the topic. Right? Describing words, especially touch adjectives. These are the adjectives, describing touch. Touch, right? So the first one is boiling. Boiling means it's very making something hot. It's boiling, making something hot, right? So the water is boiling, the milk is boiling, right? You say boiled milk, boiled water, right? Okay, it's boiling, right? Idi kaltu undi ani cheptam, right? It's boiling, right? So the second one, breeze. Okay, breeze means a light wind, especially pleasing and fresh. You get fresh air, okay? That is breeze, right? Breeze. So the cold breeze is blowing. So the cold breeze, coming, from the sea, right? The cold breeze, okay? It's very lightly, light wind, okay? And which is very fresh. You get refreshed, okay? It's like a refreshener, okay? So breeze. So third one, broken. You know that broken in the sense which is damaged, something which is damaged, right? So it is broken, okay? It is broken. So it is broken into pieces. It is not in a appropriate manner, okay? In a right condition, which means which is broken, right? So see, opposite boiling is freezing. Freezing means very cold. See, this room is freezing, right? Can you maximize the AC temperature? Maximize the AC temperature, right? So this room is freezing. So it was freezing last night, which means very cold. Chala challani gaali vachesindi annattu. It's freezing, right? So the next one is bumpy. Bumpy means it's rocky, okay? Bumps undadam, okay? The road is bumpy, right? The road is bumpy, we can say, right? So cold, you can say that it's very cold last night. It was very cold last night. It was very cold last night, right? Next, crooked. Crooked means disorder, okay? Itla disorder lo undadu, vankaluga undadu, crooked, okay? So it's a crooked road, okay? The road is crooked, which means chala disorder ga undi, vankaluga ekku undi annattu. So crooked road. So cuddly. Next one is cuddly means inviting hugging. Okay, chala cuddle babies. We say cuddle baby, cuddly pet, okay? Especially dogs, they cuddle, okay? If you have cats, they like to cuddle in your blanket. Cats kani, dogs kani, even sometimes people also, okay? They cuddle for warmth, okay? It's a good affection on it, okay? So cuddle, okay? Inviting, hugging, cuddle, okay? A cuddly dog, you can say that. A cuddly dog, okay? Sometimes you say cuddly baby, okay? So sometimes you have babies, baby girls or baby boys. What you do? You cuddle, okay? You cuddle, okay? Chala daggaraga cheskuntam, right? So cuddly means that, okay? Curly means ringuluga tiradam, curling hair, okay? Curling hair. He has got curling hair. He has got curling hair. So the next one is damaged. Damaged also, which is something broken, torn up, okay? Something. So the shirt is damaged, right? The book is damaged and పాడైపోయింది అంటే broken into pieces, like that, right? Damage. So These are the describing words, especially touch adjectives. So boiling means something making heat, getting heat. Okay, breeze means light wind, especially refresh, that refreshes us. Okay, breezing. So broken, you know that which is broken, divided into parts. So bumpy, which means rocky bumps, అంటే ఎత్తుగా ఉండడం, ఎత్తు పల్లాలుగా ఉండడం, right? Bumpy. So cold means very cold, you know that. So freezing మనకు తెలుసు, చాలా చల్లగా ఉండడం. సో the room is freezing, లేదంటే so it was freezing last night, right? So crooked means వంకరలుగా ఉండడం, right? So cuddly, you know, inviting, hugging. Next, curly hair we say. So damaged, which is broken into pieces, which is torn up, right? Those are called damaged. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries related to this, please post in our query group.